Has watching movies all day ever crossed your mind as a way of being compensated for it? For those of you who fit this description, we offer the perfect job for you. However, despite the fact that it may appear to be an internet scam, rest assured that it is not. The fact that you'll be working for Netflix is a real one. With so many films and shows to choose from, it's no wonder Netflix has become so popular. And having this opportunity to work for this organization is a significant thing. Moreover, the work that I'll be introducing to you is rather basic. Making money online has never been this easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it automatically. As a result, you won't have to put in any effort to earn money. It is fairly basic and straightforward, but you must ensure that it is set up properly. Continue to watch this video until the very end to learn about a bonus website that will assist you in earning even more money. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. FilmTagger.com is the first website that I'll be introducing to you. Click enter once you have typed in the link to bring up the search bar in your browser. You'll be taken to the homepage of the website. FilmTagger is a movie search engine that uses content rather than spectacular media attention to identify similar films. Screenwriters, directors, producers, cinema buffs, and academics from around the world can all benefit from this platform. In addition to each film, there is a collection of related films that share a great deal of similarity with one another. Examples of these include story components, character characteristics, and job descriptions. It's possible that you are seeking for other films that have something to do with a historical setting or geographical area of the film you're watching. As a result, the company FilmTagger was established. You can perform an essentially limitless number of searches and adjustments using the search engine depending on what you're looking for and which aspects of the cinematic art form you want to concentrate on. Now, we'll need to know the details of the film, therefore we'll transfer this responsibility to the website. Everything else will be handled by FilmTagger as you sit back and enjoy your favorite movies. Now, as an illustration, consider the film Forrest Gump, which is extremely well known and considered a classic in its own right. Enter the title of the movie in the search box and then click on the link right here to be sent to the movie's webpage in FilmTagger. A page containing information about the film, including its tags, as well as information on other films that are related to or relevant to the film, will be displayed on the screen. As you can see, the genre of the film that you choose is displayed in this section right here. And in this particular section, it is shown that the green colored boxes which movies are compatible for this film. You will see further down this page the tags, which include everything from themes to location to characters to time period to story, are all connected to the film. Essentially, this set of tags are exactly the information that we are seeking for. We can make money merely by watching movies with FilmTagger as support. I'll show you the next website in a second where we will be making money. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, I'll explain to you exactly why we need those tags from the FilmTagger website. In any case, I stumbled upon this article written by Hello Giggles that was published a number of years ago, and I thought it was really interesting. There's a job that lets you watch Netflix all day long, and here's how you can apply, is the headline of this story. The very fact that this was brought up sparked my curiosity, and I was inspired to find out more about how to make this happen. As you read further into the article, you'll discover that this position is referred to as a Netflix tagger. Netflix taggers, also called to as editorial analysts, are people who watch Netflix series, movies, and specials in order to tag them with appropriate metadata once they have finished watching them. With the help of such tags, you will be able to easily search for things to watch based on topics that interest you or things that you have already viewed. Their responsibilities are quite similar to those of a librarian, that they must guarantee the objects are properly categorized, to also have a detailed understanding of how television shows or movies are related, and they are included if they appear to look good when viewed in a row of Netflix streaming service. Now that you know what the job allows you to sit around and watch Netflix all day while earning money, you should then get the idea that the tags from FilmTagger will be a big help for you. All that remains now is for you to copy and paste the tags into a document file, which you can then submit to Netflix to complete the process. You'll spend most of your time watching movies here, and Netflix will reward you generously for it. That's all there is to it. Now you just need to apply for that job at Netflix. I'm going to walk you through the process of landing your ideal job step by step. In order to begin searching for a Netflix job, I'd like you to first open your browser search bar and enter in Netflix jobs, and simply click on the first result that displays, which has the URL jobs.netflix.com. Right here on this website, you may submit your application for any Netflix position. The company adds new job openings on a monthly basis, and the majority of the jobs can be completed from home or from any other locations. To find out about other job opportunities, simply click on the Search Jobs button, which can be found in the upper right-hand corner of the webpage. However, for the sake of this video, we will concentrate on the position of Netflix Tagger. Now that you've arrived at this site's homepage, you can go ahead and type Tagger into the search box, and you will be directed to this page where you will see a list of open vacancies for which you can submit an application to. The fact that I'm filming during the last week of the month, which means there are no positions available for me to apply at this time. They have new employment available every month, so don't worry about not finding something right away. If you're interested in one of these roles, you should apply as soon as possible because they are in high demand and often being filled up within 1 or 2 days after being advertised. Suppose the position of tagger is currently available, and we will proceed accordingly. The first step in applying for the job will be to simply click on the job title right here, which will take you to a new page that outlines the responsibilities and qualifications for the position. After you've finished reading it, I want you to go down even further, where you'll find this form right here. You will be needed to enter in your information, personal information in this section. In this part, you will provide your first name, your last name, email address, and your phone number. Additionally, you will be needed to provide your resume as well as 5 extra documents that will assist you in landing the position that you want. After you finish everything, you can submit your application by clicking on the Submit Application button. And that's it. You may begin adding tags in the Netflix movies, and you will be earning at the same time. Now, do not worry if you want to start working right now and there's no FilmTagger position available on Netflix. I'll give you a bonus website where you can also earn money while watching movies on your computer or mobile device. Simply having a smartphone will be sufficient in taking advantage of this program. The name of the application is Movie Trailers, Watch Trailers, and Share, and it is available in English. All you have to do is type this into the Google Play Store and you'll be able to get it. When you stream movies, you can earn money with this service, which is entirely free of charge. As a matter of fact, it is obvious that individuals from all over the world enjoy it. You get paid through this app in a variety of ways, but the most convenient is through PayPal. Make sure you have a PayPal account in order to ensure that you can get money from this website. And that's how you can simply earn money every day just by sitting at home and watching movies. Over and over, you could do this to any movie you wanted to.
And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.